got it roadworthy. We did the long haul in it this year and felt like what better place to bring it than LS Fest. Rob with Flat Out Autos in Jonesboro, Arkansas. This is a 2016 Velocity EXO. That actually was originally built by a guy named Jay Taylor out in Arvada, Colorado. He was building them as turnkey cars. We bought it as a roller and built the car. This year, my 12-year-old daughter and I decided we were going to do power tour long haul. So we wanted to do something a little uncomfortable, so we thought nothing better than the Velocity, so we pulled it out, got it roadworthy. The car weighs about 1,900 pounds, full of fuel. It's got a stock, just the LS1's stock internals with a Brian Tooley cam. 385 rear wheel horse. It's a Boxster S transaxle with a 6-speed. The shift box and the cables and everything are all Porsche, so shifts like factory. Kind of a mixture of other parts from the rear, some Volkswagen steering components. The rear is Pontiac Solstice for the rear hubs and suspension. I wanted to kind of put some miles on it and live with it because there's going to be some changes that we want to make it more livable with suspension and drivability. This is the epitome. This is what it is. It's all about what the craziest thing you can bring, and especially, this, it stands out, it's fun, and that's kind of what it's all about. Meeting people, talking to everybody, that's what we've had a blast.